Hey, Tina here. To get started on this Falloween Folio, print and cut everything out. I used my Cricut, a paper trimmer, and good old-fashioned scissors to get the job done. Then glue or use double-sided tape to attach the folio bases together. Then score the panels and use a bone folder or ruler to fold and crease them. Next up, ink the edges. This hides the white paper. Enhance it all around and even inside the folio panel creases as you desire. Now I am inking the tags and ephemera. I printed 2 copies of each so that I could also glue those back to back for double sides. However, you can easily print those on any of the backing sheets included. Okay, fast forward and I'm folding up our little envelope, also using my ruler to crease and fold the little tabs. I did the same with the little pockets, except for there was no need to double print those. I've already finished inking everything up, so now I'm attaching with double-sided tape the envelope and the pockets to the folio. I really love how the base looks with the pockets. It went really well together. I really love the busy yet calming effect the colors have. I could have went with the plain gingham for the pockets or maybe the base instead, but I didn't. I didn't just want to. Big reveal time! Now you get to see all of the goodies inside. Please visit my Etsy shop in the link below or go to serenitypapery.com. Thanks for watching.